I built my walls before you spoke, afraid my heart would end up broke. You reached for parts I tried to hide, while fear kept pulling me aside. Too scared to let you see me clear. I held my love behind my fear. You asked for honesty and trust, while I kept turning both to dust. I know I hurt you in my silence, hiding fear behind avoidance. You tried to love what I concealed, while I forgot how to be real. You stood beside me patiently, while I drowned in the noise of me. Now silence echoes through my chest, where your ghost still comes to rest. I'm sorry I hurt your soul, while my life was spinning out of control. Now your shadow follows where I go, shadows that I hope will never outgrow. You tried to tell me from the start that I needed more time to heal my heart. You were always my best friend before I ruined things in the end. I should've never been a ghost. For those 2 years I missed you the most. The way you would make me feel was what made things too real. Now every memory pulls me through all the things I never gave to you. I let fear decide for me and let things get to where we couldn't be. You stood beside me patiently, while I drowned in what I couldn't be. My chest echoes with your silence, where your ghost comes in so defiance. I'm sorry I hurt your soul, from my soul loss of control. I see your shadows everywhere I go, shadows that I want to show. You never said I love you in a regular way, and I still remember that last day. Here is my middle finger for you, just like we used to do.